y'all, we're here at the Henry in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and so much more. This community features some amazing amenities such as 2 swimming pools, a fitness center, and a clubhouse. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. All units feature spacious living rooms. Outside, you'll find a covered patio or balcony with a storage closet. Back inside, there's the dining room, a laundry room with washer and dryer connections, and the fully equipped kitchen. Down the hall, you'll find a coat closet, the first bedroom, which features a large closet, a full bathroom with a medicine cabinet, and at the end of the hall, there's a spacious primary bedroom, which has a large closet, a vanity area, and a full bathroom. This community features a beautiful clubhouse with a large seating area, a modern fitness center, an indoor play area, 2 sparkling swimming pools, a grill area with an outdoor fireplace, and tennis courts. Click the link below to book your tour today.